Hi guys, good morning. I hope you are all doing absolutely fine. So as you can see, I just had a lovely breakfast at Irani Chai and I am off to do something special today for my bike. Let me take you along with me. Let's go. Hey guys, so today I am testing my new Boya wireless mic, the one that connects to the GoPro. It's a pretty good mic. I'm hoping the sound is getting captured properly. And another thing is I am heading off to a tire shop. As you can see, my bike has almost completed 12,500 kilometers. The tires are still fresh, they don't really need a change, but then I have something special in mind. I am planning a long ride which will involve me taking it into some off-roading as well. And these are MRF Rev C road tires which come as stock with the KTM Duke. They are good for the road, they are excellent on the highways, but they are very bad on off-roads, and that is what I really need to address. I have two tires in mind. There's a Maxxis Maxplore and then there's the Apollo Tramplr, which has excellent reviews online. I don't know if the Maxxis Maxplore comes in the size for the KTM Duke, but I do know the Apollo ones do, and I don't know if either of them will be available here at the store. But let's see. N Mehta Tyres is one of the best tire shops in Pune city. I always come here for all my tire needs, so let's find out. Yes, the thing is, this branch does not have the bike tires. The Swargate branch specializes in bike tires, especially for bikes like KTM, BMW and all. I think I will head there and check it out. I did speak to their owner and they have few brands, but I want to really be sure about what I want to put on the bike. So let's go. So guys, I checked out whatever stock is there here. So at this Swargate branch, they have the Pirelli Scorpion STR and the Apollo Tramplr. The thing is with the Scorpions, they are from 2018, so they're already pretty old. I definitely don't want to install old tires. So I guess I'm gonna go with the Tramplers. Tramplers are supposed to be even better than the Scorpions, so let's see. I will know when I start riding the bike. the things done. Here's my bill. The rear tire was 7100 and the front tire was 5500, which includes the balancing for the tire. Hi guys, so I am back home after riding about 15 kilometers after installing these tires, and I can tell you I had an amazing experience. Before this I had the stock MRF Rev C tires and they were just not confidence inspiring. Now that I've installed these Apollo Tramplrs, the confidence that they are inspiring on cornering is just awesome. I can tell you I used to be scared of cornering on this bike, but I think these tires are really opening up the full potential of the bike, and I can't wait to explore more. I will be starting rides from tomorrow itself, and I will try to make a review of these tires after I've had a few rides. But so far I think things are really looking good. So if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.